Has it been a while since you've upgraded your iPhone and you can't remember exactly which model you have? In this video, I'll show you where to find the model name, number, serial number, and also the storage size of your iPhone. First off, if the phone is Face ID only, meaning there's no Touch ID home button on the face of the device itself, then you know it's at least an iPhone 10. To get started finding out which one it is exactly though, from the home page, open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and then tap General. At the top inside of General, choose About. Here you'll be able to find the model name, number, serial number, and the capacity of your iPhone. These are going to be the main things that you're looking for, especially right now as we're getting closer to the yearly announcement of the new iPhones coming out, and you're looking at selling or trading your current phone. Here we can see this model is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and under that we have the model number. Tap that number and you'll see another number appear, in this case A2651. That number, if you search for it, will come back for this exact iPhone model name. So if you ever run into an issue where the name isn't appearing inside of here, or you just want to double check it, you can always Google that number to make sure that it matches. And in this case, it does. Next, you have your device serial number, but you more than likely won't need that for this situation, but it's good to know where it can be found if you do. And then finally, the important info is the iPhone's storage capacity. And by looking here, we can see that this one is a 512 gig version. Those are going to be the main things that you need to know whenever you're checking, selling, or trading in your iPhone. And that's how you find out which iPhone model you have and the storage capacity.